Hey everyone, Kyle again from ePoolSupply. Today we are back with Pentair's Monster Prowler 930. Monster's not in the name, it's just Prowler 930. We're going to show you guys what comes included. Stay tuned. All right, guys, and we're back. So again, today we've got Pentair's Prowler 930W. This is an automatic robotic in-ground pool cleaner. This is the biggest size of this cleaner that you guys can actually purchase. And this one actually comes with Wi-Fi capability. So highly suggest this. If you guys are that tech lover out there that just wants to throw something in the pool, don't have to worry about it, get it cleaned, pull up your app on your phone, set your cycles, let it do its thing. This is the cleaner for you. So this one's actually going to come with a full caddy as well. So bear with me as I unbox it all for you guys. But these are made by Dolphin, a famous name in the industry from Matronics. So they actually are backed by their technology as well. And just the name of Pentair puts an even better touch on it. So I'm going to go ahead and cut this open and start taking some stuff out and show you guys what comes included. All right.
Okay.
Oh, fancy. So right off the bat, they've got a cool little booklet here for you guys, which is really nice. It's actually got its own part number. So that's really cool that they've got their little fancy booklet here. Cool little clear top on here, but move this out. It's also part of your power supply. This off the side. Some pieces for your caddy. And get some cardboard out of the way. All nice double-walled cardboard in here, so it's really safe from shipping. Again, sometimes things jostle around. We typically will send these with the ground service, so if they do show up with something jostled loose, just let us know. We're carrying all the replacement parts for these as well for you guys. So, but much thicker cord. If you guys haven't seen our other videos, we've done the 910 and the 920. The 910 much smaller cord, doesn't require as much. The 920 is a good size for most pools, but this 930 comes with a big beefy piece of cord, 18 meters of cord, so it works for your diving pool, works for most in-ground pools. But bear with me, this thing's a beast. Slide this over. And then we've got all of your caddy parts as well. So, whoo! I wasn't anticipating this. Giant caddy. Hold on, let me move some stuff so I don't drop it off the table. There we go. And then there's even more. This is like a never-ending box here. Give me a second. Oh, we got more pieces. I'm gonna go ahead and leave these in here, and I'm just going to explain it to you. It looks like the wheels to your caddy, so not something necessarily you guys need to see. It's just part of the caddy assembly that I just took out. Set that off to the side. All right, and then I'll get this monstrosity out of the way for you guys as well. So this is one of the only Prowlers that actually comes with a full caddy. So it does have the wheels in there. It's going to give you the caddy to set the cleaner on, to have your power supply mounted up, and then this is what you can actually wheel to and from the pool when you guys are ready to actually clean the pool. So it's really nice that they give you that option instead of carrying them out. The 920 version as well as the 910 do not have that option. So if you're looking for a caddy, this is the one that you're going to want to grab. Again, we'll have all the links for the cleaner down below in the description for you guys. Set that off to the side. All right. Again, if you guys have seen my other videos for the 910 and 920, you can tell that this is a much beefier power supply. Obviously, to power this much bigger of a cleaner, it needs a little bit more of a power supply, but it only has the one button. So similar to the 910, it only has your power button. That's because you have the option to go full wireless. So you download that Pentair Home app. You can actually connect this cleaner directly into your Pentair Home app, get it Wi-Fi connected. So then that way, even if you did leave it in the pool, you're not at home, push the clean button. By the time you get home, the Prowler's doing its thing, starting to clean the bottom of your pool. So really cool feature that the 930W has. So highly recommend if you guys are looking for something automated and you don't necessarily have a full automation system. So really cool. Go ahead and set this off to the side. This looks like another part for your caddy. So again, pretty sure this nice fancy user's manual and instructions that I buried right down here. We'll walk you guys through all of that, putting the caddy together as well as all your programming, downloading, but it's pretty fancy. I like this. You actually open it up. It's got a cool little image going on in here that Pentair does with the kids swimming at the pool. So really nice little way to display the actual user manual. So they've got an install guide, a user's guide. Looks like they've got it in both English and in Spanish as well. And then, of course, your handy dandy warranty card. Always fill this thing out. You guys want to make sure you get this sent over to them so that if there are any issues, especially within that first year, that you guys can get taken care of without having to worry about it. So highly recommend. You normally need a proof of purchase and then a serial number. So if you accidentally toss the box before you've gotten to this part, don't fret. It's on the inside of the cleaner. Again, when we get into other videos where I'm showing you guys how to do some breakdowns and different things, I'll show you guys where that industrial sticker is, but it is located on the inside of the cleaner. So then that way it's not in issues of the elements. So it's really cool if they do that. So put this back. Fancy. Its own part number on here, 372152. It's pretty cool. Awesome. So now let's get to the cleaner. So again, you got 18 meters of hoses. So should be plenty for most pools out there. Obviously, if you're dealing with some crazy commercial pool or something like that, you're not going to get that much range out of it. But for most in-ground pools, diving pools, this should have no problems reaching every part of that pool. Climbs the walls, does your scrubbing. It's got scrubbers on both the front and the back. Really cool how this thing's all laid out. Very similar to the 920. It's kind of got that and the 910. It's got that gray, blue, and white. This one does have the track guards like the 920 does. The 910 is the only unit that does not come with those track guards. So you want to make sure that if you guys are worried about having things in the pool, this is nice to have. Just to make sure nothing gets sucked up into these tracks. Again, we're going to have a whole video on tearing this thing apart, show you guys some more of that. Just want to show you guys what else included. So we'll go ahead and just pop the lid just because I like doing that and show you guys. The basket handle actually pops up. So this is where your actual debris is going to land. So being that it's a full robotic cleaner, you're not dealing with another basket. You're not dealing with cleaning your pump. It's all done directly through the cleaner. So you actually have your basket, really easy access. The handle just pops up there, and then you're good to go. Pull it out, empty it, clean it, spray down your filters. So again, we'll have a whole nother video for you guys on that. But oh, and then looks like I forgot. There's some more parts for your caddy as well to make sure that thing holds in. So quite a bit of caddy parts to fill the entire box. But the beefy 930W, highly suggest getting this if you guys want to get a robotic cleaner. It's a great cleaner for your pool, all sizes. It's just this one actually has the ability to do Wi-Fi. So highly recommend. I really appreciate you guys watching. Please be sure to hit that like button. Make sure to subscribe because we're going to have a ton more videos coming your way. Till then, I'm Kyle from ePoolSupply, and we'll see you next time.
Hey guys, thanks for checking out ePoolSupply's YouTube channel. Hit that like and subscribe button down below, and we got new content coming out every single week. Come visit us in store or online at ePoolSupply.com. Thank you.